Where do creatures like unicorns and dragons come from? Have you ever wondered how these mythical beings became legends in our stories? Mythical creatures have been a part of human culture for centuries, appearing in tales from every corner of the world. From the majestic unicorn to the fearsome dragon, these beings have fascinated us across different eras and societies. But why do these creatures exist in our stories? The origins of mythical creatures are shrouded in mystery. They have captured the human imagination, inspiring art, literature, and even architecture. Yet the question remains, where did these legends begin? And why do they resonate with us so deeply? Let's explore the mythologies of the world. In Greek mythology, the griffin, with the body of a lion and the head of an eagle, symbolizes divine power. In Norse legends, the mighty dragon Fafnir guards a treasure hoard, representing greed and transformation. Meanwhile, the Chinese dragon, a symbol of power and good fortune, is revered in festivals and art. These creatures are not just fanciful stories. They embody the values, fears, and hopes of the cultures that created them. What's fascinating is the commonality among these myths. Despite vast distances and diverse cultures, many mythical creatures share similar traits or symbolize similar ideas. Golems, for example, appear in Jewish folklore and often symbolize protection or the consequence of human hubris when given life from clay. Similarly, in Greek mythology, the tale of Pygmalion speaks of a statue brought to life by the gods, also reflecting themes of creation and the boundaries of human control. Unicorns, though varying in description, are universally seen as symbols of purity and grace. These similarities highlight a universal aspect of human storytelling, a way to explain the unexplainable and to pass down important values. Mythical creatures are more than just stories. They're a mirror to our collective psyche, reflecting our fears, dreams, and the unknown. They continue to enchant us, reminding us of the power of imagination and storytelling. What's your favorite mythical creature or legend? Share it in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more intriguing content on the mysteries of our world.